Welcome back to my channel. It is Goose. I'm super excited to finally have another Darc Sport video for you guys. Today I'm going to do a full unboxing. I have the package here. I have not even opened it yet. You guys are going to get all my raw reactions on camera. My dog is here. She wanted to be included. It is super cold outside, so Pebbles has a little Christmas sweater on. She is festive for the holidays. Box is right here. It was just delivered to my doorstep. This is for Heaven Has to Wait, which is dropping on the 15th of December. I live in EST, so it'll be at 9 p.m. Otherwise, it's 6 p.m. PST. If you haven't shopped Darc Sport before, it is super important that you're on the website right at the drop time. Stuff does sell out quickly and it will not restock. And of course, I do have a discount code for you guys. It is Goose. It will give you 10% off at checkout. It would mean a lot to me if you used it, and please let me know if you do so I can say thank you. Every Darc Sport drop has a meaning behind it. Heaven Has to Wait is no exception. It has great significance. It has to do with why you have to be here on earth, what you have to do before you go, why heaven has to wait, and how important what you're doing is here today. One of the things I especially love about Darc Sport is how important everything is, all of the significant symbolism with death. It's not just like, oh, well, we're all gonna die. It's you are going to die, so live today. I'm just super grateful to work with a brand that has so much significance to me, and I love that I get to be a part of these stories. One last thing, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll leave links to my socials in the caption. Let's get to the unboxing. This is like the perfect shot. You got Pebbles right there and the box right here. And I have literally not opened it. First up, I'm guessing that this is a t-shirt. Let's see which one. Okay, let's see. This is the Overcome Mortality Premium Tee, and I got this in a size medium. All of the Darc Sport t-shirts are oversized. Good to know. So if you want like a size large, I would go with a medium. I really love this. I love that it says it on the front too. And we have a special card here I'm going to read to you. Why does heaven have to wait? If you left this earth tomorrow, but had one more chance to explain why you should stay, what would that reason be? Maybe it's a goal, maybe it's a loved one, or more time with family. Whatever that reason may be, always remember to never f***ing give up, because heaven has to wait. Wolves forever. I think that's beautiful. Next up, another tee. This is the Guardian Cherub Premium Tee. Again, I got a size medium. I love this. The cherub with the skull. I think that that's so cool. I love cherubs and I love skulls. Look at this. And it has a bunch of different cities on it. Let's see. Is Cleveland on here?
We got New York.
Cleveland, Ohio. Let's go. That's awesome. I don't know if you can see. I love that. Included. Okay, we have a sports bra. There is a new style of sports bra. This isn't it, but I'm super excited for when we get to that. This is the Everson Seamless. This looked super good on the models. I'm excited to try this on. I love the little pink font there. And of course, we have the matching leggings. These are the Everson Scrunch leggings in the same Desert Night Sky. Awesome. And it has more of the pink writing on the side and a scrunch here in the back that is definitely not too extreme. Lately, I've really been enjoying wearing tight-fitting t-shirts with shorts instead of just a sports bra. So I got a baby tee here. I did get this in a large, I'm 5'9", 165 pounds. I'm like just built a little bit bigger, taller. So for things to still be like a little bit oversized on me, I tend to size up. And the baby tees, I would say definitely do run on the small side. They're meant to be tight. So a size large works for me. And I think that this is just so cute. I can't wait to try this on. We've got a cherub and skull premium tee. It has the same picture as the baby tee I just showed, but it's in gold and it's a regular t-shirt. I'm obsessed with this design. Here's the back. I think that that's so pretty. I love the font here. I'm honestly just in love with the little cherub with the skull. I think that that's very much me. If this is what I think it is, this is a brand new product. And I don't know my sizing, so we're gonna cross our fingers that I got it right. Okay, I was wrong. It's sweatpants. So it'll be the last thing I open. And this is the Ashen Horse Bigelow sweatpants. I do get a medium. I feel like these are just huge, and a medium is plenty oversized. When you put the legs together, it makes one image of like a Grim Reaper. I thought that that was sick. Last item, and then I will try everything on. These are Chopper Wolf Lex V2 cargo pants. I got a size 29, which is either gonna be perfect or super off. I'm usually like a size 6 to 8 in jeans. So we'll see. I don't know. I don't know what the number means exactly. We didn't really get sizing advice. This does look kind of big, which I guess bigger is better because I can wear a belt. But I love cargo pants. And another concern of mine is if these are gonna be long enough for me. I have a super long inseam for somebody who's 5'9". My dad is 6'4", and our hips meet at the same spot, for reference. But these are really cute, and I hope that they fit. Okay, time to try on. We are starting off very strong with the Everson Seamless set. I am wearing a size large in both the top and the bottom. These tops are just so freaking flattering. And if you feel like it's not supportive enough for you, if you already have one, I would suggest sizing up, because with a size large, I feel perfectly in place and comfortable, and not so much with a medium. I also like to play with the length, sometimes like curling it underneath, especially with like the high-waisted leggings. I feel like I have maybe a shorter torso, so maybe a little more space in between. These straps in the back are adjustable, and you can choose to hook them or not have them hooked. I see people do like the hook in the front, or they'll loosen a strap and have them both on one side. You can really play with it. And here are the leggings. These are so cute, actually. And I'm obsessed with the pink font here. I've never seen them do it like so big on the side like that. I feel like I would be slightly concerned with see-throughness, but as I'm moving my leg, I really don't see any like shearing going on. I think that the print of these leggings really helps with that. And the length is perfect for me. You could definitely not have them like pushed all the way down if you're shorter. I wouldn't be concerned about that. Most of the Darc Sport girls are much shorter than me, and I've never seen any of them complain about the length. So yeah, super cute. And this set is also releasing in like a reddish rust color. That one is cute, but I tend to gravitate more towards blacks and grays, so this is spot on for me. Next outfit, I have on the baby tee with the sweatpants, and right off the bat, I just have to say, they like upgraded these sweatpants or something, because there's no way they were this soft before. And anyways, I was right to pick these with the print on them. I feel like it just looks so cool. I'm gonna bring you guys even farther down so you can see. I love that. And then the back is plain. You do have pockets on the sides, And this baby tee is everything I wanted and more. I love it. This will probably be the first thing that I wear from this whole launch. Honestly, this outfit is probably my favorite thing that I got. It is just comfy cozy, and in the winter months, this is what it's all about for me. So super happy with this outfit. Okay, I have the long sleeve and the cargos on, and I love the long sleeve. The cargos I also love, but a 29 was definitely way too big. So I'm hoping that they have an actual size chart, because I was under the impression that a 29 was like a size 8 and I wanted to go bigger rather than smaller. I was very wrong. A 29 is like huge on me. So I don't know if this is like too big to get tailored, because I would totally get these tailored. I absolutely don't want them to go to waist, and they're super cute. They're exactly my style. And it's too close to the launch for me to like ask them to exchange. But the length is perfect on them. I'll like pan down and hold them so you guys can see. They're perfect other than the waist. So they probably wouldn't be so baggy if you got your correct size. But honestly, I like how these look on me. So I'm gonna contact a seamstress tomorrow, and we'll see. I've never like had a pair of pants tailored, but these are definitely too big to just button or wear a belt, unfortunately. But they are super cute. If you want them, make sure that you know your size, because I know that they're not going to be cheap, and I think with things selling out so fast, I would not rely on like exchanging the size. But the t-shirt is really cool. This again is a size large. You can see like it's perfectly oversized. It's not too big. And I love this on the sleeves. And here is the back. Decently simple. After the cargos were a miss, I am very happy to announce that the new wrap bra is perfect. This is so flattering, and it fits perfect, by the way. I used to have a bra like this. It was not as nice, and it was too small. I had to get rid of it years ago. So I'm very happy to have a replacement. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's super cute, and it's definitely supportive. Like, I feel like bending over, good. Arms up, good. If you had bigger breasts than me, I think it would get a little dicey, because this is a size large. I'm not sure if the sizing goes up to an XL, but I feel very good in this. It does have removable pads, and I believe it is launching in at least one other color. I'm guessing that this bra will be around because I think it's gonna be an absolute hit. So hopefully we get to see more of it. I feel like sometimes Darc Sport comes at us with a super fire sports bra, and then we don't see it again for another like 4 months. So if you want this, I would definitely get it, and don't put it off till the next launch, because we don't know when it's gonna come back. Lastly, I just threw on one of the t-shirts. Again, this is a medium, very oversized. Definitely could go with a small. I think that the back is just so freaking cool. Honestly, all of them from this drop, it was really hard looking through the lineup to pick a favorite. But for me personally, my like must-haves, those sweatpants I tried on, the wrap bra for women, any of the t-shirts for men. Honestly, there is also gonna be a side-by-side box with this drop. The t-shirts are awesome. The designs on them, I wanted all of them, but unfortunately I didn't get any. It is a shame that the cargos were a miss, but they are awesome. I'm just bad at sizing. And then honestly, one of my favorite things from this was that baby tee. I think I just love the imagery with this drop, that anything was a hit, and the baby tees are just really calling my name right now. that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing aspect. You'll have to leave a comment. I felt like it was a little more personal. I feel kind of rushed trying it on and showing things, especially if I've shown the exact thing before. It's a little more fun to just open it up with you guys, like we're hanging out. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll do my best to respond as quickly as possible. If you're not already subscribed and you liked this video, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget, if you shop on Darc Sport, to use my code GOOSE. That's all for this video, guys. See you on the next one. Bye, guys.